this is apa namanya ini Kak? Tenun. Tenunan apa? Baiko.
Oh, small, huh?
Small. Yeah, this is like it's not.
Ada yang gede. Size-nya.
Oh, that's all right. Oh, this one's sick.
I think this one.
Ya, yang hitam.
I like this.
Oh ya.
We have black also, combine white.
Oh, that one better.
You think?
Is this the bigger size?
Banyak peraturan itu. Itu yang paling besarnya itu
Check.
That's not for a shirt, baby. Just for outer.
Do I wear a shirt underneath it?
Yeah.
I gotta wear a shirt underneath it.
Yeah.
Can't just wear it with my chest out.
Yeah. Cannot.
I can
Maybe you can.
I can
Yeah.
wear a bow with my chest out.
Yeah.
Is this tie up like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Exactly. It needs to be a bit bigger.
Nggak ada yang lebih gede lagi ya? Size-nya itu aja ya?
just one size.
One size. Sort of big.
This is
I just wear this.
yeah.
I'll take my shirt off underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yay.
Ooh. Yeah, sick.
Oh, this is for
Where's that go?
what is this for? Oh, this is for like yeah.
Oh, yeah, it wraps around like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ini buat ini ya, Kak, buat di gini sininya. Enggak juga
No.
sih, Kak. Buat di mana? Oh, buat di sini. Tidak.
Oh, you pull that off.
Kasih keluar deh, Kak. Kasih keluar terus
Oh,
taruh
iya.
sini. Oh ya, like a kimono thing.
Oh, yeah, then you wrap it around. Cool.
Think it looks good?
Yeah.
Agak ada warna lain? Enggak ada.
Sick. Sick local NTT get up, man. This is fucking dope, man. Look at this shit. Killer.
Oh, polnya udah nggak buka ya?
Oh, kalau pulihnya di bawah, kalau itu mau tuh yang di bawah.
Oh, di bawah?
Iya.
Oke, oke, oke.
Di bawah, lurus aja, Bu.
Oh my god, baby. There.
What about up here?
There, the pool.
Yeah, let me have a look. Look at this view. Hello. How are you?
Hi, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Wow, this place looks amazing. sick, yeah.
So good. This is the real paradise.
Yeah.
I don't understand why people always go to Bali.
It's pretty early. It's like 5:30. We're getting up early. Boat's gonna come pick us up. We're gonna go see Lake. Yeah. Should be good.